Magnolia. Violet and I are here for Sound of the Week. Let's sing the Sound of the Week song so everybody knows it's time. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Sound of the Week. 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 Violet is letting me know she's not game for Sound of the Week. Thanks for your help, Violet. Our sound is A. I hear A in, oh, you see some pictures here. Yeah, that's right, train. And I hear A in chain. I hear A in nail. And I hear A in snail. I'm so excited to see what you hear A in. But first, let's look at it together. A is made up of 2 other sounds. Do you see? A, yeah, plus, that's right, I. A plus I says A. I'm going to trace A. Watch. A. 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 Can you get out your invisible pencil with me? Let's start with a really big one. Are you ready? A. Teeny tiny one. A. Medium size. Okay, ready? A. I like to make the dot. Let's take a look in the basket and see what you brought for Sound of the Week.